Good evening, everyone, and welcome once again. This is Jeffrey's regular YouTube channel on this Monday, January 8th, 2024. We have an Operation Weather. We have a couple of Operation Weathers we're doing right now. We have a wind advisories in effect for Cuyahoga, Geneva, and Trombone counties in Ohio, and for Crawford counties and Crawford counties only in Pennsylvania until 10 o'clock tomorrow night. It's supposed to start from 10 o'clock in the morning tomorrow, and it ends at 10 o'clock tomorrow night. They're saying what? Southeast winds at 20 to 30 miles per hour with wind with wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour expected. Impacts, gusty winds could blow around on circular objects. Tree limbs and tree limbs could blow down. A few power outages may result. Additional details. The strongest winds will be gently along as and north of Interstate 90 and the higher elements of northern Geneva County, Ohio, and for Crawford County, Pennsylvania. Preparedness, precautionary actions. Use extra caution when you drive, especially observing a high wind a high profile vehicle, secure outdoor objects. Again, we have a wind advisories in effect for Geneva. I'm going to use my left hand for this. For Geneva, Cuyahoga, Trombone, and Crawford counties until 10 o'clock tomorrow night, all on this Monday, January 8th, 2024, from Jeffrey's regular channel page on YouTube. Also, we heard we have an Operation Weather. There's another Operation Weather we're doing here too. We also have a high wind warning in effect for Erie counties and Erie counties only until 10 o'clock tomorrow night. This is the same time, just like they're doing with the wind advisory we just talked about. They're saying what? Southeast winds at 30 to 40 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour expected. Impacts, damaging winds and blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for higher profile vehicles. Additional details. The highest wind gusts will occur along and north of Interstate 86 and 90 in Erie County, Pennsylvania. Precautionary actions. People should avoid being outside in forest areas and around trees and branches. If possible, remain the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive. Again, this is a high wind warning in effect for Erie counties only until 10 o'clock tomorrow night, all on this Monday, January 8th, 2024, from Jeffrey's regular channel page on YouTube. Let's take a look at the forecast for tonight for Titusville. We're just going to read tonight and tomorrow, since this is the operation, since they're calling for both of the wind updates. But before we read the weather, remember, subscribe to both of my YouTube channels, Jeffrey's regular channel page and Jeffrey the Train Expert on YouTube. We got 201 subscribers on the Train Expert channel, and we got over 3,400 videos of trains and trainless videos to enjoy. All trains galore at Jeffrey the Train Expert. Check it out. Also, too, if you haven't already, sort of subscribe to get the finger out of here to Jeffrey's regular channel page. We have 41 subscribers on there, and we got over 500 videos on YouTube to enjoy. All galore at Jeffrey's regular channel page. Check it out. Here's the forecast for tonight for Titusville. We're going to read tonight and tomorrow only is what we're calling for right now. The forecast for tonight, they're saying cloudy skies with late night snow showers. Low 30, southeast winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour, chance of snow 40%. For Tuesday, windy, rain and snow in the morning will transition to mainly rain in the afternoon. High 45, southeast winds at 20 to 30 miles per hour, chance of rain 100%, snow accumulating 1 to 3 inches, winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. And Tuesday night, rain and windy early, remaining cloudy with snow showers late. Low 33, southwest winds at 20 to 30 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 100%. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. Here's the Meadville forecast for tonight. I need tonight. They're saying cloudy with snow showers developing after midnight. Low 32. Southeast winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Chance of snow 60%. For Tuesday, I said Tuesday. Come on. I don't know why. Alright, here comes the next video roll it, because I'm trying to get the weather for Meadville. Roll it. Welcome back. This is Jeffrey's regular YouTube channel. Just joining us. We have a wind advisories in effect for Crawford and counties of Pennsylvania and a few other Ohio counties. until 10 o'clock this evening, as well as high wind warnings in effect for Erie counties until 10 o'clock tomorrow night. So when we left off, here's the forecast for Tuesday is what we're doing right for Meadville. Yeah. They're saying windy, mix of rain and snow in the morning, will change to all rain in the afternoon. High 46. Southeast winds at 20 to 30 miles per hour. Chance of rain 100%. 1 to 3 inches of snow expected. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. And Tuesday night, rain and windy early, remaining cloudy with snow showers late. Low 35. South-southwest winds at 20 to 30 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 90%. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. I'll check Greenville and Maidville and Pittsburgh in just a bit and see. Here's the forecast for Erie tonight. They're saying cloudy, low 33, southeast winds at 15 to 25 miles per hour. For Tuesday, rain and wind, high 47, southeast winds at 25 to 35 miles per hour. Chance of rain 100%. Rainfall near a half an inch. Locally heavy rainfall possible. And Tuesday night, rain, windy with a steady rain early, then remaining cloudy with a few showers. Low 37. Southwest winds at 25 to 35 miles per hour. Chance of rain 80%. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. And northeast, let's go check Greenville and Pittsburgh before I go to northeast weather. Before I read the weather for northeast, let's check the forecast, see if Greenville or Meadville is gonna get any operation weathers, and then I'm gonna reset the weather. So far, we did the Titusville weather, we did Meadville, we did Erie, but I want to check Pittsburgh or Greenville and see if we have any operation weathers. And if there is, we'll get their forecast as well. They're also they're under a wind advisories in effect for Forest, Jefferson, Pennsylvania, Mercer, Venango, Armstrong, and Clarion counties until 7 o'clock tomorrow night. The wind advisory is going to start late this evening is what they're going to start though. They're saying the same thing what Crawford's saying. So let's take a look at the forecast for them tonight. I'll find the weather forecast. Thank you. They're saying cloudy skies early with the mixture of rain and snow overnight. Low 33. East-southeast winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 80%. For Tuesday, windy with periods of rain and snow in the morning, then mainly rain in the afternoon. High 47. Southeast winds at 20 to 30 miles per hour. Chance of rain 100%. Snow accumulations less than 1 inch. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. And Tuesday night, windy at times, rain mixing with and changing changing over to snow showers late. Low 35. Winds south-southwest at 20 to 30 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 80%. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. Let's go check Pittsburgh now. You have an operation? We'll see if they have an operation. Nope. Nope, I guess. And finally, Northeast. Here's the forecast for Northeast. And then we're pretty much... They're also under a gale warning in effect around Erie County as well. Until 4 o'clock Wednesday morning. Excuse me. Here's the forecast for Northeast tonight, and then we're pretty much going to be it in my only video we're doing today. Cloudy with gusty winds developing after midnight. Low 32. Southeast winds at 5 to 10 miles per hour and increasing to 20 miles per hour. That's after midnight. So... Here's the forecast for tomorrow night. They're saying windy with rain likely. High 47. Winds, southeast winds at 25 to 40 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 100%. Rainfall around a half an inch. Locally heavy rainfall possible. And Tuesday night, cloudy with windy and cloudy with rain ending overnight. Low 36. Southwest winds at 25 to 35 miles per hour. Chance of rain 80%. Winds could occasionally gust over 50 miles per hour. And that's it. I have never seen a 50 miles per hour winds around Erie County or any other county. Yeah, you don't see that too often. You don't see this too often. So, they're supposed to call all the high wind warnings and wind advisories are going to end at the same time, except the only difference of this, that one is going to be they're going to start till late this evening around a few counties around Pennsylvania. So all right, we've been around for 18 minutes. This is my only video we're doing right now. So this is probably going to be it for today. For Jeffrey's regular channel page. Again, we have a wind advisories in effect for Cuyahoga, Trumbull, and Geneva counties around Ohio, and for Crawford, Armstrong, Jefferson, Clarion, Forest, and Venango counties until 10 o'clock this evening. And they're calling for a high wind warning in effect for Erie counties only until 10 o'clock this evening. Both the warnings and advisories are going to end at the same time right now. So we're going to get off for today, and thanks for watching Jeffrey's regular channel page on YouTube. Make sure subscribe to both of my YouTube channels, Jeffrey's regular channels and Jeffrey the Train Experts on YouTube. So everybody else have a good day, and we'll be back on next time for more live videos. Talk to you later.